When you think of maintenance, what kind of words usually come to mind? Laborious? Tedious? Troublesome? Does it have to be that way?
Hi guys, I'm Shan from artisJet, and this baby right here is the artisJet Young UV printer. Today I'm going to show you how to do a daily maintenance in one click. For everyday routine maintenance, we recommend that you do a cleaning after the printer starts up. Sounds like fun? Let's do it. No, not that kind of cleaning, even though that's actually not a bad idea. But seriously, here's the cleaning we're talking about. Ready? Click! That's it! We're done with daily maintenance. But if you want to be doubly sure that the printer is firing on all cylinders, you can do a nozzle check. It won't take but a few seconds, and it can show quickly and clearly if the printhead and the ink system are functioning properly. First, place a piece of clean material on the platform. Then, in the workstation, click 1, click 2, click 3. The printer will print 6 or 8 full-stream lines of ink. We then look for any broken lines. If there isn't, the ink system is good to go. If there is, then repeat the cleaning process. If the issue persists, try ink charging, which is located right here. The cool thing is that this simple process applies to all artisJet printers. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can learn more about the artisJet printing technologies in our YouTube channel. And if you're interested in UV printing, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!